In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive a payment for an open invoice, a crucial task to ensure your finances are up to date and accurate. Whether you're managing personal finances or handling accounts for a business, knowing how to efficiently receive and record payments is essential. Let's dive in and get started on this important process. First, you'll want to begin by opening your invoice management system. Often, whether you're using specialized accounting software or a simpler spreadsheet, you'll need to locate the specific invoice for which you're receiving a payment. This step is critical because it ensures that you're allocating the payment correctly, avoiding any potential confusion down the line. Now, once you've successfully navigated to your list of open invoices, the next step is to click on the option to receive a payment. Depending on your software or management system, this might be a button or a link that clearly says Receive Payment. If you're using software, this feature is usually located on the main toolbar or within the invoice details. Keep in mind that the appearance might vary slightly between different platforms, but the general functionality is similar across most systems. Once you've accessed the payment receiving interface, you will be prompted to enter the payment details. This is a very important step as the accuracy of this information will ensure your financial records remain precise. Start by entering the payment amount. Double check this against the amount listed on the invoice to ensure there are no discrepancies. Then input the payment method, whether it's credit card, bank transfer, cash, or check. This helps in organizing your records and understanding the flow of funds over time. Next, confirm the date of payment. Accurate date entry is crucial for aligning your financial periods correctly and maintaining organized records. Make sure to also include any transaction or reference number associated with the payment, as this can be helpful for both tracking purposes and future reconciliations. After you've thoroughly checked that all the details are correct, it's time to save the information. This action not only updates the status of the invoice to reflect the payment, but also ensures that your overall account balance and associated financial reports are accurate. Check that the payment has been recorded correctly within your system by navigating back to the list of open invoices. The invoice you worked on should now be marked as paid or closed, depending on your system's settings. By following these steps, you've successfully received a payment for an invoice, an essential task in maintaining healthy financial management. Remember, accuracy and attention to detail are key throughout this process. Thanks for watching, and be sure to reach out if you have any questions.